Sorry to correspond. Hey guys, welcome to my new video, my new short. Today we're gonna talk about the update on my brother's channel. So we are publishing the video next week, hopefully, and I will publish archived videos from my phone on his channel. My brother is working on a new video, not on my phone. On his new phone, not my phone. I forgot what to say that. So that's it for the video. And I saw my brother's new post on his channel, so yeah. Alright,